Hey loves! In today's video, I will be reviewing the Modelones Polygel Kit. I purchased this kit on Amazon for $30 and these are the beautiful nails that I will be creating with this kit today. Now that my nails are prepped, I'm applying a thin layer of base coat and curing for 60 seconds. For today's set, I will be using number 6 Light Apricot. It's such a pretty color. Since this kit did not come with a dual-ended brush, I will be using my own spatula that I purchased off of Wish. There will be a link in the description. I'm starting off with my thumbnail. I love how I was able to just place that product there and it did not move. I'm used to using builder gel, which is thinner in consistency and way stickier. Now with this polygel, it does have the potential to become sticky itself if you do not thoroughly drench the bristles of your brush in the slip solution. As long as your bristles are thoroughly drenched, you'll have no problem moving this product around. It stays exactly where you put it and it was just amazing to work with. This is what the nail is looking like so far. I'm going to apply a second bead closer to the cuticle area to build up the apex and the structure of the nail overall. Another thing that I really like about using this product is how easy it was for me to clean up my cuticles and sidewalls. With builder gel, as I mentioned earlier, it's really sticky and I've always had a problem cleaning that area up and making it look nice, but with this product and the slip solution, it was really easy to make it look good before filing. I found filing these nails to be extremely easy. Polygel is thicker than the builder gel I'm used to using, so with this I was able to sculpt out my shape a lot easier before I even cured it. It's also heavier than builder gel, which means, if you can see, most of the dust falls straight down, so that's good. It's not in the air. And it's also softer, which aids in filing time because you don't have to put in that much effort to get your desired shape. This is the completed nail. I am very happy, especially with my cuticle. On my index and ring finger nails, I am applying the Your Sugar Your 12 Gold Polish. It is from their Gold Vin Rouge collection. If you click on the eye in the top right hand corner of your screen, it will take you to the video where you will see swatches of the rest of this collection. I am applying it with a Cosmetic wedge for a more full cover effect. After applying a second layer of the glitter polish, I am now encapsulating my nails with the top coat. I love this top coat. I like how wide the applicator is and it's really shiny. After application, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. Earlier this week, I posted my Daily Charm haul, and that haul consisted mostly of Swarovski crystals. Today, I will be using two of the sets that I picked up, and they are the Value Mix Crystal AB as well as the size 12 Value Mix Crystal AB. To apply my crystals, I'm starting off with the Gadgets Entrepot UV LED Glue Gel. Now I'm going over that with a layer of top coat. Now that my nails are done, it's time to moisturize. And to do that, I will be using the NCLA Treatments So Rich Pumpkin Spice Cuticle Oil. I'm going to swatch number 5, their clear polygel. Their clear polygel is foggy. It's not 100% clear. I would not recommend it for encapsulation or for glass nails. Now I'm going to compare the IBD hard gel that I normally use to the Modelones Polygel that I use today, and I want to start with the size and price variations. Alright, so for this 2-ounce IBD hard gel jar, it was $20. Now it only comes in two sizes, 2 ounce and 0.5 ounces. And the 0.5 ounce jar is $15. Now the Modelones Polygel Kit was $30 and it is 30 grams. So that equals roughly 1.058 ounces. So that would be 2 of the 0.5 jars of the hard gel. And all you would get for $30 is the hard gel. It doesn't come with any of the tools that you would need to apply it. The Modelones Polygel Kit for $30, however, comes with most of the items you would need, minus a primer and a dehydrator. And with the top coat being a no-wipe top coat, you don't need alcohol to remove a dispersion or tacky layer. It also comes with a voucher for a free gel polish. Pros of the polygel is that it is easier to control for me, and it is also cheaper. While the IBD gel is more expensive and a little harder for me to control, but the clear version of that gel is actually clear and it is perfect for both encapsulation and glass nails, which I really like. My final thoughts on the Modelones Polygel Kit is that 1, it is definitely worth picking up if you like to do your nails at home. It was very easy for me to get the hang of and to use. It's a deal for $30 because it is a kit and you get most of the items that you need to apply the polygel. This color is beautiful. I absolutely love how my nails came out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!